Okay, YouTube, doing a lot of automotive repair in the beginning of this year. Today I'm going to show you how to plug your tire temporarily if you got a nail in it. So this one is my mom's 2012 Fiat 500 that I did a full-on Abarth body kit. That is on the channel. Bumper, side skirts, the doors, they are from the Abarth. So, well, technically a Fiat Turbo. Put that on here, put her key thing on there, but off topic. We're gonna get this nail out, and it is located down here, so it still has a head. Actually, so before actually jumping into it, let me just quickly set everything up. Okay, so you have your thing right here, which basically this is like a piece of rubber that fills in the hole. This makes the hole size of this thing right here, and this is your glue that helps keep that hole plugged up. So basically, we're gonna just take the nail out, and I'm gonna set everything up. I'm gonna put the glue on there. So I'm gonna shove this thing in there and shove this thing up in there. And you can purchase this at AutoZone or even Amazon, anywhere. It's only like 15 bucks, it's not too bad. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5, enough for 4 tires in case you cannot afford tires, or if you don't want to get rid of your nice tires. You know, these look fairly new, so I think these are the original ones that came on these wheels. So this one really hasn't had a lot of road wear. So it's a really good tire still. It even has his little nipples on there. Alright. So I got the tip lubed up right there. Everything's ready to go. Basically, I have this thing right here. I'm going to shove this all the way through, and I'm going to run it up and down, creating a nice big hole. What this does is, it makes it that size, so that way the rubber can go right inside this hole, penetrate through the wires and all that good stuff. That way you have a nice, secure, safe thing. Because if I was to put one in there right now, you can see right there, that little guy is super small. That's not how this stuff works. They like a nice big hole. So we're going to shove this in there and put you guys down. I'm going to shove this thing as deep as I could, bottoming out, and yeah, then I'm going to shove that nice lubed up. I'm probably going to put some fresh lube on there. Okay, so trying to make this short as possible. We're gonna kind of just pull it out now. Sorry I didn't get the penetration shot, but I'm trying to concentrate. I leaked too much air, so probably get the air machine, put some air in there, call it a day, make sure it doesn't leak. Should be fine once I pull this guy out. Give me my tool back. You can stay inside, but give me my tool. And nice. There you go. That's how you do it. Leave that excess right there, so once you're driving, it's gonna smush it in there. This is good for a daily driver. If you're stuck on the side of the road, I recommend just getting one of these kits. What I did wind up doing was, you see obviously this thing is bent out of shape, but what I did wind up doing, I just opened up just a little bit. There you go, kind of like that. Bend right back. There you go. Simple as day, they bend right back. You can honestly bend it right back to open up a little bit. That way you can kind of secure this thing down. Putting it on the tip was a good idea, but making sure it was in the little hole, because once it goes down here, it'll get stuck like that. So now I'll put some air in there, show you guys that it works. Alright, there you go guys, that's how you do it. $15 kit. Take the thing out if you don't have a head. Just trying to get those pliers and squeeze and pull as best you can. If not, then buy a new tire. Don't be a broke boy. I know they're expensive nowadays, but that's the only other solution. So any questions, comments, concerns, comment down below, guys, all that good stuff. Make sure to subscribe as always, and watch the other videos on the channel if you want to know more about this car, where I got these wheels from, how I got the other car to supply everything, what we did to this car, because everything from this car is from another vehicle. And I'm noticing they have that white sticker. It's so crazy because these are actually supposed to be off a white car, but they painted these doors black. Trippy. But as always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.